everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Now this is going to be a Taste Test Tuesday that I've never done before. It's going to be a fun one. Does anybody know that Little Debbie now makes ice cream? And you can buy it at Walmart. And I have 6 different flavors of Little Debbie's ice cream. I'm going to go, all right, let's start like this. I'll show you the 6 flavors. They have Oatmeal Cream Pie. They have the Nutty Bars, the Zebra Cakes, the Cosmic Brownies. Yep, and these are all 1 pint. They have the Strawberry Shortcake rolls. And the last one that they have is the Honey Buns. Yes, so I'm going to be trying them all. And I'm going to go from my favorite flavor to my least favorite flavor in these ice creams. Never had them before. Oh, this is going to be so interesting. All right, I'm going to try the Oatmeal Cream Pie one first because I don't know if I'm going to, really like that one. And like I say, everybody's taste buds are different. Everybody's scents are different. I may like it, you may not. Same thing. Okay, that's what the oatmeal looks like. And let's give it a taste. Oh, it's still a little hard, but I can do it with plastic. I bought regular spoons out here too in case I couldn't. All right, so there's nothing in there. It looks like French vanilla ice cream. It tastes like oatmeal, the oatmeal cream pie. I didn't think I would like it, but I do. And it's sweet. And 2/3 of a cup is 220 calories. If you eat the whole container, the whole pint, it'd be 670. Yes. So, we all know ice cream, whatever. You either eat it or you don't, and I do. So that's good. I like that one. All right. But I got to put it in the order that I think I'm going to like it or whatnot. So I have water that I'm going to be drinking in between. All right. Let's try the Honey Buns flavor. And this one here, the Honey Buns, the actual Honey Buns, Little Debbie's, is my granddaughter Mallory's favorite. And that's what that one looks like. Smells cinnamony. Let's see. I did let them sit out for a minute to soften up a little bit so I can use plastic. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm loving this. Oh, wow. So far, they are like nailing it. That tastes just like a honey bun. It does. All right. So, okay. Let me take another drink. Have any of you tried any of these flavors? If you did, let me know. And if you did, what was your favorite? Okay. Next, Let's try the Nutty Bars rather, Nutty Bars ice cream. Alrighty. They're all safety sealed. Oh, look at that one. Yes, I can smell peanut. Wow, guys. Yes, I can smell peanut. Oh, this has even more calories. This is 280 calories in 2/3 cup, 830 for the whole container. And the cinnamon bun was 240 and 730. So far, I think the oatmeal cream one is the less, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's got little pieces of peanut in there. Wow. Yep, it's a Nutty Bar, all right. Wow, they did awesome. So far, they did awesome on these. That one's good. Now we're down to 3 more. I want to save the Cosmic Brownie for last. Okay. Let's try the zebra cake. I'm going to try that one. And another spoon. Oh, let me show you what it looks like. That's what that one looks like. And this is 220 and 670 on the calories. I don't think you could eat a whole pint. Maybe. I don't know. Because that's quite a bit. Okay. On this one, I'm tasting the cake and the frosting. Yeah. Wow. Yep. Not my favorite, but all right. So far, I think that's my least favorite so far. Okay, now we're going to try the strawberry shortcake rolls. And this is 220 and 650 as far as calories goes. Oh, look, I got a big block of ice. Throw it in the sink. All right, so let's try this one. Oh, I bet this is going to be good. Oh, look at that color. Oh, I smell strawberry. All right, so this is strawberry cake roll. Here you go. Wow. It does. Tastes a lot like strawberry ice cream to me, but trying to think. Yeah, it's got like that strawberry taste filling in it. It does. Oh, wow. All right, let me wipe my mouth here a minute. Okay. And the last one we got to try is the Cosmic Brownies ice cream. And then we'll do it in order. It's going to be hard picking. It really is. Ooh, look, chocolate. All right, let's get a piece of this. Right here. I'm tasting like a little licorice flavor to that. I think they're trying to make like that sprinkle. You know, you get that different taste from the sprinkle. Yeah. That's not my favorite. I thought it would be. All right. So let's see. Oh, this was fun. And they're all good. They're all good. Do not get me wrong. They are all good. But my favorites are the honey buns and the nutty bars. Those are my favorite. I think I like nutty bars first. Then the cinnamon bun comes in second. The strawberry is third. My oatmeal cream pie is fourth. Well, it's a tie between the zebra cake and the oatmeal cream pie. I'm going to go with the oatmeal because it does taste like oatmeal to me. Zebra cakes, and my least, believe it or not, was this. I got like a licorice flavor to it. I thought that this would be my favorite, you know, seeing how it's chocolate, but that's not my favorite. My favorite was the nutty bars. Yes, maybe because I'm a peanut lover, you know. I love peanut butter and peanuts and all that. So this was my favorite. And the honey buns, guys, cinnamon. If you like cinnamon, you're going to like that one. Yes. So out of all of these, tell me which one you would want to try. And yeah, so that's it. Quick Taste Test Tuesday for today. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a safe day. And until next time, bye now.